tortoise. Once a hare and a tortoise decided to have a race. You are so slow, I am so fast. Let us run a race up to the mango tree. Ha ha ha. The race began. The hare ran with long leap. Hop, hop, hop. The tortoise walked slowly. Float, float, float. The hare came to a carrot patch. Yummy! What lovely red carrot! The tortoise said, I will eat a few carrots. But he ate a lot of carrots. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Then the hare came to a reddish patch. Sir, what is the white radishes? I will eat only a few. But he ate up quite a few. Jump, jump, jump. Then the hare came to another vegetable patch. Fresh leafy vegetable, so good to eat. So he ate up quite a few. Munch, munch, munch. The hare was now too full. He ran. Hop, itty, hop, hop, itty, hop. He was feeling very sleepy. I will take a little rest. He slept under a tree. He slept on and on. All this while, the tortoise didn't stop. He walked on and on. The tortoise reached the mango tree. The hare up. He ran to the mango tree. What did the hare see? Ha ha ha! Nobody is very